marketing, second unit, consumer behavior in services, market segmentation and service positioning, service demand management, designing and managing services. Discussion 2, one by one. The consumer behavior is the study. Consumer behavior is the study. Consumer behavior is the study how the people make decision about what they buy, want, need, or act in recording to the product services or a company a recent. Example, a change in consumer behavior is the eating habits of consumer that dramatically increased the demand GF products. Consumer behavior includes the process of motivation. Process of who? The process of motivation. Process of motivation include the motivation. The process and motivate the drive consumer buying activities. Consumer typically the make purchase. The consumer may purchase in the systematic way with the time frame and nature of the process depends on the type of purchase. The stands consumer buying process. With the service has some specific difference from a product based purchase situations. The consumer behavior mainly searching, purchasing, using, evaluating, disposing of product or services that the expert will be satisfy their need. The consumer is a king of market. The consumer behavior or consumer psychological factor, that is the low cost, high product quality and quantity products. The same way service, full-fledged service oriented to the consumer. Service market segmentation. Service market segmentation targets segmentation market. Segmentation is defined processing of dividing market into the designed groups the share common characters, needs, purchasing behavior of consumer consumption products. Market segmentation is the process of dividing a broad board of consumer or business market, normally consisting exiting of potential customers into subgroup of consumer based on the same type of shared characters. In dividing segmentation markets, research typically look for typically look for common characteristics such as shared needs, common increased similar common shared lifestyle similar lifestyle to even similar demographic profiles. The overall aim of segmentation is to identify the all segments, that is those segmentation that are likely to be most profitable or that have growth potential, so that this can be selected for special attention. The segmentation providing detailed description of the common forms of consumer market segmentation: geographic segmentation, demographic segmentation, behavioral segmentation, other type of consumer segmentation. Critically for evolution of segmentation attractive. Geographical segmentation, local market, zonal or regional, size of size of display, country. Demographical market is gender, race and family, religion. Psychological market, compulsory needs and leadership and personality. Behavioral, uses rates, benefits of sight, brand loyalty, market factors and products. Services positioning, Positioning is the mean by which brand or company present is future and benefits of prospective customers. It is means of establishment identify one that sets a business part for competitors. Service marketing is customer directed communication that promote a service instant the physical product. After service strategy has been identified, a company must decide how to position product efficiency. Positioning of the services in service marketing. A concept of positioning involves establishing distinctive places in the mind of target customers relative competitive products. In the new positioning, the latest and the world business strategy, Jack told disputes essentially positioning in the following principles. The the mainly positioning in the principles. A company must established in the positioning in the main important. Second one, the position should be singular or providing one simple or consistent message. The position must be set of company apart from the competitors. Company cannot be all the things all the people must focus in the efforts. Service responsibly. Market positioning are rarely performed performed competitive activity need new techniques and internal changes make case a company response itself and its services responsing involves changing the position from farms hold in a consumer mind relative competitive services. This may be necessary to counter competitive attractive appearing the current customers or target new additional segmentation. Responsing can be involving adding new services, abandoning certain offering and withdrawing completely from the market. In response, the major changes it is the business environment. Internal marketing said target services between your organization and your employee who provide services, customer market issues and includes adequate training and services delivered, customer satisfaction, services techniques, internal market, external market, employee, customer, service marketing, triangular services. That's the service demand management. That is the service management is the manufacturing service management is the management. Service management is the manufacturing context that integrated supply chain management promotes supply management, inventory management, post demand management. Demand management is the supply of the management process that balance the customer requirement with the capability of the supply chain with the right process in the pace. Management can be matched supply and demand positioning positioning right process in the pace. Management can be matched supply with demand productivity and execute the plan with reduce cost. Increasing flexibility helps the firm represent quickly to internal and external event. In microeconomics, demand management is the art of science of controlling aggregate demand to avoid reasons. Demand management at the microeconomics level involves the use of direction policy in the inspired by Keynes economic through the today. IT services management refers to the centricity of activities directed by the policies, organized and structural positioning. positioning and structural positioning, supporting producers that are performance plans, delivery, operating control, information technology services, service management, manufacturing, integrated into supply chain management as in instructions between the actual sales and customer point of view. The aim of high performance service management is to optimize service instantly supply chain, which is usually more complex than the typical finished goods supply and chain management. Supply and chain and management. In the any act of performance, one party can be offered another that is externally intangible and does not result in the ownership of anything. So intangibility, service cannot be seen, tasted, felt, or somewhat before they are still. Inseparability, services are typically produced the customized verticality. Second one, perishability, customer empowerment, customer beginning more sufficient about buying product, supplement services, or proceeding unboundable services for greater customization. So next one, designing and managing service product. Service management is the manufacturing context integrated into supply chain management as the interaction between the actual sales and the customer point of view. The aim of high performance services management is to optimize the service intensive supply chain, which are usually more complex than the typically finished goods supply chain. Most service intensive supply chain rigor inventors and together integration with the field services and the third party. They also must accommodate in consider the uncertain demand of the establishment, more advanced information and product flows. Moreover, the process of must be coordinated across numbers of services location with large number of parts of multiple levels of supply chain. Demand management planning methodology used to forecast, plan for and managing demand product and services. This can be at macro levels is economic and micro level within individual organization. So drive high service cost can be reduced. Integrated service product supply chain management. Next one, designing service managing product, the art of brand building. Customer service spot services equity can be optimized, increasing service revenue. Next one, designing and managing service product, that is the part of brand building that creating strong brand image and brand awareness of customer. However, brand building process continues even after the product is sold. The customer company can come out of the winner by the showing differentiation its service, the point of sell and affect the customer services. Further research has shown that average customers are not happy with after sell services, airline, bank, and a hotel industry. So this is the main services marketing is the 7 pieces in the service marketing, mainly in the market sector: people, physical evidence, process, permission, product, price, place. This is the customer, mainly 7 type of services in the market. This is a brief story of service marketing second unit.